Hi guys, this is a quick video tutorial where I will be showing how you can add site links to your Facebook ads. Now this is a brand new feature. Right now it's only available for the Facebook mobile feed and it's available for the traffic, engagement, lead and sales objectives. So in this example, I've created a new engagement campaign, and at the ad level, when I scroll down to create my ad, right below the ad setup where I'm creating my ad, I can see a new section, Ad Sources. Now here it says that I can connect ad sources to include more information in my ad that can help inspire action. Now right here you can provide your own website page, and then Meta will try to find site links to add below your ad. But if you want full control on which site links appear on your ad, the best way is to add site links manually. So this is kind of similar to Google site links. You can add 3 up to 20 site links for each ad, but I would advise to provide 3 to 5 site links so you know these are the most relevant ones. So in this case, I will only provide 3 site links. So let's click Add. Now a new interface appears and I can provide up to 3 site links. In this ad, I will be promoting my own website. And so let's see which site links I can add. So let's call this first one video tutorials. Then let's copy paste my tutorials deep link. The second one, it can be my newsletter, for example. Again, let's copy the link like this. And the last one, it can be about me, about Bram. Okay, so right now I have added 3 site links. But now this is very important. If I would just click add and I would just save, it will be very hard for me to track all clicks on the site links in Google Analytics. Therefore, it's better to add a custom parameter so I can track back all the clicks in Google Analytics 4. So if I want to track back clicks on individual site links, I could add a parameter to the URL. Let's say FB site link is 1. Doing the same for all the other site links is 2, is 3. Now you can get creative when adding the site links instead of using numbers. Now how you are using the parameters, it's up to you. You could make it generic or very specific and use the display label instead. So for the purpose of this example, I'm just using 1, 2, and 3. Now when I save it and people click on it and I go to Google Analytics, I can filter by FB site link and I can see which specific site link they've clicked. Now, one additional note that's very important is that these site links, they will not contain your default UTM parameter structure. So if you want to add the source, campaign, UTM medium, you will have to manually need to add those parameters too to each site link. So now I will save the site links. Once I've added the site links, it will show that 3 site links are added. Still, they won't show because I'll have to enable the creative enhancement to show the site links. So you need to scroll down to the Advantage Creative section, click Edit, and right here you can see the Add Site Links. If this would be disabled, it won't show. So right here, make sure to enable the toggle, and you can see that my 3 site links appear below my ad. Okay, so that's it at the ad level. Now, if you want to track which site links are being clicked in Meta Ads reporting, you will need to add some custom columns. So let's navigate to the custom conversions section. Okay, so right here, I'm in the custom conversions section. And as you can see, I've already added up to 4 site links. So let me show you how to create each of these. Let's call it FB site link clicked. And this conversion will show all site links that's being clicked, so an aggregated view. Now, the action source is website. Let's keep it on all URL traffic. And let's add a new rule to filter URL contains FB site link. This way, it will only track page views where the FB site link parameter is present. If you want to track individual site links, you could create FB site link 1 clicked, and it's the same principle. So URL contains FB site link is 1. Right here, I'm in Ads Manager, and I can add some custom columns. Start searching for site link, and all the custom conversions will appear. Enable these to show them in ads reporting, and for each ad, you will be able to see which site link is being clicked. Now, if you prefer working with custom events in Google Analytics 4 and Meta, you could also use Google Tag Manager. Then in Google Tag Manager, create a trigger that will capture the site link parameter in the URL and add it to different Meta tags and Google Analytics tags. This way, you can send an event to Meta and Google Analytics 4 each time a page view is being generated with the site link parameter. Okay guys, that's it for this video tutorial. I hope you did enjoy watching this video, and I'm curious how you will be using the site links for your Facebook ads. Let me know in the comments below. Bye bye.